evening, everyone. Good evening. May I request that everybody please take their seats? Thank you. Oh, can I take a seat? Okay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome. Um, this comparing thing was sprung upon me, so pardon any faults as we go along. Um, First of all, I'd like to open the evening by remembering uh, Mr. Peter Rogerson and all our absent teachers who are not able to be with us today. And I would also like to remember two of the boys of this batch, much loved, Ranjit Khanvilkar and Paresh Ashar, who are not with us. So can we all please start with a moment's silence? Thank you. Thank you. All of us spent our formative years at this great institution, Rajkumar College. And even to this day, I'm sure that many of us still revisit RKC from time to time in our dreams at night. Yes, we remember the taste of the RKC breakfast. We remember the horrible sound of the rising bell on a winter's morning. We remember the fantastic friendships that we formed. And even today, we are able to pick up things after 35 years without hesitation. However, at the heart of RKC are our great teachers. And today we would like to honor them. And if we can start with Mr. Lav Kumar, and it's always a pleasure to read his messages from time to time on the RKC Yahoo user group. So if I can please call upon Kiran Wadhwana, Anis Nagwadaria and Abhay Doshi to felicitate, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I wasn't around when Mr. Lav Kumar was a teacher, but over the years, I have, interacted with him, read his messages on the internet, and he's been a great inspiration to all of us. And I would like to ask him to come here and ask Anis Nagwadaria to present him with a shawl. And I'd like to ask Abhay Doshi to present you with a small memento, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Kiran. And next is, of course, Mr. Ayaz Khan. And Mr. Ayaz Khan towers above his peers. And he has been with Rajkumar College as a young boy, as a teacher, a principal, and now a mentor. I should say director, not principal. And there are three people in this room who owe him a special debt because he actually saved us from getting expelled on one occasion. Yes, I won't mention the names. There are many anecdotes to Mr. Ayaz Khan, and we would spend all night if we started going through them. But I remember one particular episode when boys in our batch had him fooled into thinking they were smoking cigarettes on the upper senior house terrace, and he ran from his room all the way down the corridor to stop them. And I think a couple of them received slaps as well, unfortunately, but that's the price you have to pay. So I call upon Anil Patel, Rajan Patel and Nikhil Kaneria to please felicitate, sir.
Probably the most wonderful teacher we've all had. And really we need to be thankful for all that he has done for us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And now comes Mr. Vikram Singh Jadeja, equally at home in the sports field and in the classroom. And I request Raddeep Singh Jamnagar, Ashwin Kalavadia and Dilawar Nagavadarya to please felicitate him.
Has been very, very closely attached to all of us. Some of us in the intermediate house when we were there. Some of us teaching history. And cricket was always the sir's favorite sport, which we were all very keen to play. And sir's cricket has been of very, very high standard, which we learned. Fortunately, I also captained my college team, Bombay Association College. And of course, the laurels that Ranjit Khanvilkar raised our heads very high, and all that coaching and the teachings that Sir gave him is very, very fortunate that we have a cricket coach like Mr. Khanvilkar. And all that he gave us, he taught us. And today, what we are looking up to him for our future and what we are today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Radheep. And now comes Mrs. Seladurai, patient and warm of heart, with a wonderful style of teaching. And I call upon Atul Pamar, Ashwin Patel and Kailash Ashar.
Dear ma'am, you laid our foundation as our class teacher and English teacher in the 4th grade. We'd like to thank you for everything you have done for us.
And now, if we can felicitate Mrs. Parucha, a teacher who had a wonderful way with us when we were at our youngest and tenderest age. And I call upon Rahul Gajjar, who is the artist among us, Ajay Mandalia and Arun Mistry. And Arun, I should add, was the academic topper in our batch in 79.
Everybody. You know, when somebody plants a tree, you got to nurture it. And you have to, to see the results, to see the flower. You continuously keep on nurturing it. That is what Mrs. Bharucha has done to me. And Mrs. Bharucha and Mr. Riker, both of them have actually molded me. And I'm here because what I am is because of Mrs. Bharucha's continuous support to me throughout my school days,
And Dr. Marwa was the best physics teacher we had, and he combined teaching with a great sense of humor. And if I can please call upon Ashok Anandpara, Rajan Patel and Kirti Patel, please.
Good evening, sir. We have a lot of fond memories about you being our physics teacher, but there's like 2 sentences on which we have been etched in memory forever. Your favorite phrase was "physics is fun," and yes. And the other one, which I think a lot of us took that with a pinch of salt, is if you studied, good. If you did not study, very good. Okay, these are things, these have been etched into our memory forever, and what we most remember you fondly for is the transition. Since ours was the first batch that went from ISC to CBSE, and the curriculum and everything had changed drastically, and a lot of us were successful in the field of sciences only because of your tireless efforts and constantly helping us to become better individuals and really excel at the sciences. A lot of people in our batch went ahead and did really well in sciences, I've been one of them, and I'm not exactly modest, just so that you know. But sir, we thank you from the bottom of our heart with everything that you've done for us and making us the individuals that we are today. You know, I'd like to call on Rajan and Kirti to, you know, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. That means a lot.
Thank you. A great and versatile teacher who was equally at home with science and the languages. If I can please call upon Ajay Mandalia, Anil Lalchandani, and Vijay Parmar, please. Thank you.
Just science and Sanskrit, especially Sanskrit, because we didn't know what we were learning and we didn't know what it was about. We don't know what good it was, but you were really good to us. Your gentle endeavor was always will be in our hearts. Best of luck. Thank you.
Chemistry teacher, Mr. Agasti, and I call upon Naveen Badalia, Ajay Jala, and Dilawar Nagadaria. We remember him very well for a special occasion on their, a special event in their lives, which they will talk about.
Hello, Mr. Yes, so I think the incident that we were all talking about was we did a chemistry experiment once, and I think a few hours after that, our hands started burning. and three of us had drawn this sort of chemical which was sort of sent us to hospital. Exactly, yeah. So we were probably fooling around, yeah. But chemistry was something which is practical, and you know, it's I think there's Henry James saying.